Whoa, look at this. Wow.
Dang.
Holy cow.
You just can't believe your eyes. There's so many cars back here, and you can tell that they've been back here for an extremely long time.
How long these been here?
30 years, roughly. At one time, I drove pretty much every one of these cars you see.
Really?
They all drove in here.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, these are like metal beasts. They're like dinosaurs that used to roam the nation's highways. This is like their resting place.
My dad loved Cadillacs. He
did.
just loved the way they rode, and he just thought they were.
They just floated right on down the road.
He'd say, well, them Lincolns, they had a little bit of. He goes, but them Cadillacs. He liked Lincolns too, but he liked Cadillac better.
This is the iconic one right here.
59.
59, baby. Look at
59
that.
Fleetwood.
Look at the trim on that thing.
I know, it's unbelievable. Holy crap, man.
I mean, look at the interior. Wow, actually.
Oh, this thing's not,
Yeah,
not
no,
bad.
this car cleans up very nice.
The biggest thing about a 59 Cadillac is the fins, the tail lights, everything about it. So sexy on the back end.
Oh, here's another one.
Yeah.
What's this one?
This is also a 59.
So
That's
this is a
39.
rare car because it's a flat top.
Yes.
The back end of this in 59, like I've got a 59 El Camino, same thing with this lip. Is this original paint?
I believe this is on this car. Yes, black, yes.
My dad was a professional gambler first. Well, he was in the Army, and then he was a professional gambler, and then he married my mom, and then he opened up a little bar with a shuffleboard, and plus we had a hog ranch.
Is that what this building was?
That's
Was this
part
hogs?
of this building, and that's what you see. All of those
Okay, with
were
the separation
hogs,
of the
yes.
wall and everything.
Then he opened up a pawn shop, and he said, well, I've been in the pawn business for 20 years already.
Oh, he had a pawn shop too?
No, in the card games, they.
Oh.
Oh, he was loaning people money already. He had a
So
lot
anyway.
of IOUs.
A lot. And like he always.
So he was already kind of in the
He
pawn
was
business.
already in the pawn
Yeah.
business, so it was nothing new.
One thing that's cool about a 59 Fleetwood is that when you roll all the windows down, there is no post in between. Cadillac had to beefing that frame up. Look at how long this thing is. Yeah, you can tell this thing's been repainted.
Yeah, I see that. Now that you're saying it.
Robbie, you remind me of my dad looking at these cars before he bought them.
Hey, you got to do your due diligence on these things. It's a California car. It's all here. The interior's intact. It's a beautiful looking car.
I'll start up for 12,000.
You're at 12 grand on this.
Yep.
I think you could buy one of these cars because it's a 4-door, driving down the road, 20 grand.
You can. What it's got going for it is it's a 59. I mean, for what I can see from the floors and
Hey,
the rest of the car, just kind of looking it over with how dirty it is, it looks pretty solid.
Yeah, and then you get into the motor aspect of it. 30 years it's been sitting here. You're already putting a new gas tank, new lines, new brake lines, new brakes, new tires.
My father-in-law, if he was here, to be saying, well, them pretty good looking casings. Put some
He
air
say
on
it's
them."
been buried in time.
Was he a used car salesman?
No.
Oh yeah, he ran a pawn shop.
Yeah.
Those are buried in time. Time is money though.
So make an offer.
$6,500. What's that
Does that mean
usually
yes?
Does that mean yes?
That means up.
No,
Oh, I thought that meant yes. So this is,
I was like, man,
yes.
she gave me the thumbs up.
that means we're not even close.
10 grand. I mean, come on.
I never met your dad, but I got a feeling he just said that come out of your mouth.
Yes, he did.
He knows it.
I
He's
am
like,
my father's daughter.
Yeah.
I tell you what, where we need to be on this car is like $8,000 because, after we do what we have to do to it to get to the 20 number, there's not a lot of margin in it.
I tell you what, I'll flip you for it.
I'd flip you for 8 or 85, and that's my. I better hope I win.
Break out a coin.
Let's do it. The coin flipping definitely is my dad. He just flip everybody for things all the time.
Here, I got a quarter. And here's the deal. You're going to call it in the air, and we're going to let it land on the Cadillac
Sounds
hood.
like a plan.
Okay? All right, ready?
It's heads.
Heads it is.
Is it? God Dang.
Thanks, Dad.
You might better.
He must have been
Robbie,
You might need to get
what I'm laughing about is he couldn't see what it
I couldn't even
said.
see the damn thing. I
Well,
put
he
the
took his
glasses
glasses
back.
off, remember?
Look at him, Russ. Like, I can see it from here. But you know what? At the end of the day, it's a 59. It's a Cadillac Fleetwood. When you're behind the wheel of this thing, I don't care if you paid 85 or you paid 28,000 for it. You're the man.
It's like a